First type is aerobic respiration and second type is anaerobic respiration. In first type, what happened? Aerobic respiration takes place in presence of oxygen. Aerobic means, by the name it is clear, aerobic means in the presence of air you can say about the oxygen. So it takes place in the presence of oxygen, aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs in presence of air or oxygen. Anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. It means here oxygen is not present in anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occur in higher organism. In higher organism, aerobic respiration occur, and anaerobic respiration occur in yeast and bacteria. Anaerobic respiration occur in yeast and bacteria. Example: aerobic respiration, higher organism; anaerobic, yeast and bacteria. Now come on next point. Carbon dioxide, water and energy are end product. You can see here carbon dioxide, water and energy. Presence of oxygen means aerobic respiration. So this is the end product of aerobic respiration. What is the end product of aerobic respiration? Carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Look at here also, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy are the end product of aerobic respiration. And what is the end product of anaerobic respiration? You can see very easily ethanol and lactic acid, because here absence of oxygen, lack of oxygen, it means anaerobic respiration. So ethanol or lactic acid are the end product of anaerobic respiration. Here in aerobic respiration, what happened? Oxidation of one molecule of glucose occur and form 38 ATP. How many ATP? Energy 38 ATP. 38 ATP is found here. But in anaerobic respiration, where oxygen is absent, here only 2 ATP found. So here oxidation of one molecule of glucose produces 38 ATP. Here only 2 ATP produces by anaerobic respiration. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. This is the ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate, this is the full form of ATP. Adenosine diphosphate is the full form of ADP. So here you can see in aerobic respiration 38 ATP is found. In anaerobic respiration 2 ATP is formed. Okay. So this is the respiration, this is the aerobic and anaerobic respiration.